y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together. Hey, psych! We back. We're back.
Psych!
We back. You thought it was. Hold up, wait a minute. Hey, y'all thought I was finished? I don't know the rest of the
We don't know no lyrics. We don't know no lyrics. Hey, we don't know no lyrics. Hey, we don't know. Okay, sorry.
That's the fourth drink.
It's bonus round. Woo, woo, woo.
We're back. Y'all thought we was finished. We always do a bonus.
If we lied to you like that, like, are you like cereal? You really thought we were serious, not coming back?
Cereal though again? I thought that last time you said that was a mistake. I think you.
I meant what I said. Okay.
Nothing. Go ahead.
I saw the light skin reference. Calm yourself down. Calm yourself down. Okay. So we're back.
Okay, we're back. So what do you have in store for us today?
All right. So this is the Clover.
Okay, you redempted from the last one.
I did. Now, okay, so Britt and I, we would just be doing research in the interim. In between all these shoots, we just be shooting recipes between one another. And we always see, there's a little bird apparently behind us. We always see a lot of recipes that include egg whites. Now, I was raised, I think it's my mother. I think my mom might have put the fear of God in me because she was like, don't be messing with no egg whites. Don't be messing with eggs separately. You're gonna get salmonella or whatever, So I be looking at the recipes and I'm like, low key, these look good, but that egg white dough.
Kind of a little scary.
But we're gonna try it because it looks good. It looks good.
Does it really look good?
The picture looked good.
Oh, you talking about the drink, not the egg white
part.
No, sorry,
to clarify.
Had a little
clarify.
I was a little
the
worried.
Drink picture looked good, okay?
Okay, fair.
So we're gonna run through the ingredients and then we're gonna get started.
Okay.
Okay, fair enough. You need whatever gin you would like to use. We're keeping with Hendricks because it has not led us astray, okay? Obviously the egg whites, right? Okay. Some honey, some raspberry syrup, some lemon juice, freshly squeezed or otherwise.
We use a concentrate.
We're using. You saw how much I yielded with the fresh squeezed lemon juice.
Oh, it didn't get us far.
Got us to one drink, and it was like that, but that's all I had. And finally, some raspberries for garnish. So, yeah, let's get into this.
Yep, we got our shaker with ice.
Gotta have that.
And the vessel of choice, as always.
All right, and I will have one omission. I think this was kind of a little piggyback from my last one. We actually don't need any honey, but if you want to add honey to yours, you go ahead and do that. But I just realized, ooh, that was a carryover from last time. It happens, people. All right, so let's get into this. It's the fourth drink, leave me alone. It's the fourth drink, leave me alone. It's the fourth drink, leave me alone. I said what I said. I said what I said.
I guess you felt the judgment through the camera?
I wasn't judging you. I actually felt slight judgment, so I just addressed it how I thought.
However it makes you get through the rest of the day.
That's all I ask, okay? 2 ounces of our gin.
2 ounces.
You see why we almost didn't make it to bonus round. That's all I gotta say about that. You see why we didn't. Okay, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice.
1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Lemon.
Keep in mind, we are using concentrate right here. And so we're gonna be a little bit mindful of that when we measure ours out. So we don't want to be too tart. 1/2 ounce of our raspberry syrup.
1/2 ounce?
1/2 ounce, baby.
Ooh, child. I'm gonna have to bring Gertrude next time.
Gertrude needs to make a visit because she looked fun. I'm just saying.
Let me use this.
2 tablespoons of liquid equals 1 egg white. This recipe calls for 1 egg white, so that's what we're doing. No, I'm not cracking an egg on here and getting
Making
messy.
a mess.
I'm not. Now, there's no harm in that if you would like to do that.
Well, that don't look too bad.
Okay, there you go.
2 of these.
2 of them. And then at that point, we're ready to shake.
Is this like, when we shake it, is it like scrambling eggs?
Oh no, I don't know. I mean, I think we're about to find out.
Facts.
I do know that this does make the drink frothy.
Frothy?
Are you judging me? If that's the actual term.
I'm a little uncultured a little bit, so you don't have to explain frothy.
You know, I'm not actually going to describe that because it's going to sound not appropriate for television. So
I will proceed forward in life without knowing.
Look up frothy in the dictionary.
Sounds like frosty, but I'm gonna just, no.
Like Frosty the Snowman?
Ooh.
Oh, okay.
We might have a little bit more. Oh, no, we about the same. I don't know, we can cheers on this today, but.
Nah, we probably should avoid that, but.
Just by the looks of it, I am hoping that it tastes as good as it looks.
It looks real cute. And then you're gonna string together 3 raspberries, excuse me.
Great, ooh.
For your
Splurgy.
Splurge. On your little garnish. Bloop. Oh, no, okay. I'll take that because it was on there, Safety first, children. Okay.
Ooh, that one looks like it needs helping.
Grocery store produce, somewhat unpredictable, you never know.
Oh my gosh. This one fell, but
Okay.
We're gonna make it work.
You made it work though. It made it in there.
That's what she said.
Michael, please.
Serious.
Please.
Mwah!
Okay, so now we're gonna try it. We're not gonna toast because we wanna avoid catastrophe. Okay, ready?
Good chat.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
This time, you didn't stir me in the wrong direction. That second one was nasty. I ain't gonna let you hold. I'm not gonna hold you on that one. But this one good.
You wanna start off? You already in the swing of things.
No, you can go first.
Oh, okay. Just for reference, I know the second one was nasty. We keep talking about it, but you have to try something that you're not sure about. And that's what we did. We bombed. It was a bomb. It was horrible, but we did it. Okay, so anyway, back to this one. This is delectable. Okay, so I don't typically like sweet drinks, and this is not necessarily sweet because I think the lemon juice counterbalances that. But you do get the raspberry with the raspberry syrup. I'm gonna go ahead and give this an 8.5. It's really tasty. You actually don't taste the gin in this, which could be dangerous. You do get the raspberry up front. And despite what we might feel in regards to the egg white, you don't get any of that weirdness. I think that just makes the drink, like I said, frothy.
I still don't know what a problem.
Google it.
I don't have a phone right now. Anyways.
Okay, so
what was your rating?
I believe I gave it an 8.5.
8.5.
Yes.
Okay. Huh. I already know. Comparing. Second drink still nasty.
Wow.
Okay. Back to this raspberry delectable looking vessel of choice. Look at this. Whatever frothy is, I don't know what it is. I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say frosty for now. Anyway, I like this. It's different. I don't normally do raspberry too often, so it's kind of different for me, but it's in a good way. So, with that being said, I'm going to give this, you said 8.5?
I give it an 8.5.
I'm gonna say 8.5 to a 9.
Okay.
I'm a little in between, but either way, it's good. Will I order it again? Yeah. Raspberry, not typically my thing. Peach and mango, I already said.
Yeah, I agree.
But definitely a good choice, sis. Good choice. She redeemed herself for the second time in a row, because
First of all,
Ooh, child.
whatever. Okay. Okay, so we're at that bonus round. So what that means is now we've got to rate everything we tried for Jen.
Well, since you're the oldest, I'll let you go first.
Oh no!
Really? The hateration of it all.
Trust me, I respect my elders.
Whoa!
You're right.
Gertrude.
Gertrude's not here right now.
Whatever.
But you don't want to see Gertrude, because she drink, baby.
Gertrude looked like she a whole lush and has been a lush since the 1950s.
Gertrude is a southern belle.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway.
We'll meet Gertrude at some point. We have to, obviously.
What would your name be? Your old alter ego.
Gladys. Probably Gladys or like Clarentine.
Clarence.
Because you need, it's like a combination of Clarice.
I've heard of Clementine, but I ain't heard nothing about
Yeah, no, it's got to be something unique, like real out there.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, I ain't going to offend no Seattle people, but they're special people. And I'm not saying in a bad way, but I'm also not saying in a good way. I just don't.
The shade of it all. All I asked you to do was rate the daggone drinks that we tried.
I ain't never had a friend on the West Coast, but baby, she's the best one. All right.
I mean, that was a backwards comment, a compliment, but sure.
Take it how you want.
Whatever.
Anyways, but yeah, 8.5, 9 for me. 8.5, 9 for me. I like it. You did good, sis. You did good. I trust you.
So, with that being said, everything we've tried so far, right? Not so far, sorry. This is it. I want to be clear. Everything that we've tried, rate it in an order. Give me your order of everything we tried.
Ooh, child. I'm gonna say bee's knees first.
Okay, I can see that.
Oh, the second one is hard because they're like both neck and neck. I'm going to give French 75, raspberry. What's this called?
It's called the Clover.
The Clover.
It's called the Clover.
So the Clover third, and then of course, well, it wouldn't even be on the list. I ain't even gonna hold you, big dog. And this is just me being honest with you right now. Look me in my face. I'm being honest with you, ladies and gentlemen. It's nasty. But we're gonna do, what's it called?
The Franklin.
The Franklin. The Franklin is nasty, but it's made it on the list, okay? 4. Okay.
That's real. That's real. Okay, so I am going to also award Bee's Knees first place. It's really tight between the French 75 and the Clover for me for second and third. Like, I don't even want to give a second and third. I want to give it a tie for second. And then the Franklin, that can end up in somebody's toilet.
Are you doing the Clover and the Bee's Knees in second? No, the Bee's Knees was first.
Oh, did I say Bee's Knees? Correction. So Bee's Knees won.
Okay.
So what I meant was French 75 and the Clover are tied for second.
Okay.
And then the Franklin
It's just simply third and fourth, or third.
is where we can't see things anymore. It was last of everything.
Don't know. I wouldn't even call it see things because I didn't even see the potential in it.
Okay, so I want to, real quick, I want to give an explanation.
She's a nice one. Just want to let y'all know that. Go ahead and explain.
There are things that I know I have apprehension towards that my biases say, I'm not going to like you. But if we are a show that tries out various ingredients, I think we have to try things that make us a little bit uncomfortable. And olive juice and dirty martini is not even my swag. It's not my swag at all.
You said uncomfortable. I felt uncomfortable.
So with that being said, I felt it necessary for us to try because again, it's important to say you can't say I don't like that without trying something. We did our due diligence. We literally tried it and we didn't like it, but it's really important that you don't write something off without actually trying it, which is also why we tried something with egg white in it, right? Because we're like, ooh, we're apprehensive about this.
She's very apprehensive about this.
Yeah, I would say that's more of me. I'm like, it's got egg white.
I will send her recipes and she'd be like,
but it got egg white.
No, I'm good.
No, so what I'm saying is there are gonna be some things that make us a little bit uncomfortable, but we have to at least give it a chance if we're going to be fair. And we gave the Franklin a chance. And it was nasty as but
Sorry, it was a delay because I'm blushing over here.
That's fine. That's
I got
fine.
quiet off of that.
But the point is that we did our due diligence.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm blushing too.
Yeah.
We did our due diligence and we tried it out and we found it wasn't for us. Now again, please let us know your thoughts in the comments, like, subscribe, comment below. But we're really curious to find out what drinks you make with gin. What is your go-to? Or are you just like, gin? Ew, not for me. I mean, either way, we want to hear what you guys have to say about that. And don't forget to click that little bell on YouTube that makes sure that you get notified anytime that we post our videos, all new episodes on Thursdays. Follow us on Instagram,
TikTok,
Threads,
Facebook.
Is that all of them? We said TikTok?
I don't know. We're old. It's hard to keep up.
We
with
have a
these
link
times.
tree. Click on that.
Without Twitter though. Without Twitter. We ain't on Twitter. Sorry, Elon.
Sorry, we're not on there. But we are on everything else. And as Brittany mentioned, we will always include products on our Amazon account that we use so that you can successfully accomplish the little cocktail creations that we make here.
Hey, man. Hey. Can I get a yeah? Anyways, so also, we are going to, I just thought about this. We love our followers. We love our people that follow us and support us and everything like that. We are going to do something a little bit different. There's going to be a poll. We're going to have people send in recipes to us. We're going to try it. I hate to say it, even though I don't like mixing too often.
Right.
We will do a viewer's choice. What you call it? Viewer's choice
Episode.
Segment.
Series segment.
And we will do the top 4. So y'all send in your recipes, and we will pick the top 4, of course. If y'all do.
Please don't send us a recipe called Trash Bucket. I'm gonna judge you.
Don't send us DC tap water, Baltimore Harbor water. I don't know. Don't.
None of that. The Potomac.
But we love y'all so much, and we appreciate all the support that y'all have given us. All of our
flowers? Are they giving us our flowers?
They are, but followers. And we just appreciate everybody and all the love that you provide to us. Y'all mean the world to us. So thank y'all.
Thank you for the support, and we love y'all. So until next time,
keep on lushing.
Keep on lushing. Bye, y'all.